Hi there, Lucas here, and welcome to uQRme. We're passionate about QR codes and the connection that they make possible between the physical and the digital world. In this series of videos, we'll be covering everything regarding QR codes, from their inception and their different types to how to create and use them for your personal endeavors or marketing campaigns. However, before we jump into one of the many topics featured here, I'd like to introduce you to uQRme. We offer a QR code generator platform that has been up and running since 2010. It was born out of the need to allow people to create and manage QR codes, more specifically, dynamic QR codes. We work on a personal level, and we will continue to do so. We want to help you create the best mobile-based experience out there so that you can reach your goals as well as your target audience. Well, that pretty much sums up the introduction, so see you later.